In a create menu, you can create empty occurrence, means empty layer, but you can make it group to that. You can create a light, directional light, point light, spotlight, but unfortunately they are a little bit weak. For example, the positional spot point light that you can bring it there. In its settings, you can make the power 10 times to add a light to your scene, something like that. That's it. It's in point light. From here, you can change it to directional light. It's directly create a light to you, but unfortunately, you can see we don't have any visualize that understanding where is its position. I think, yeah, in this, you have to rotate it to see where is the angle of that. Yeah. Directional. You can make power more 10 times to see it better. From here, you can change it to spotlight. You see, but unfortunately, we don't have that spot cutoff angle anywhere that you want. You can change. It's like a cone, but we don't have visual presentation here to see what is happening there. Okay, you can make it a positional light and change the color of that. Something like this. That's it. But you can see we have a default light here in a scene. From the create menu, you can insert default light on the scene tree. Here is a default light. You can select one of them and make the power more to see it better. You can see if you need, you can change the color. These are default light. 10 times. You can see it better, but you cannot change them. If you delete them, it automatically create at the background. At the create, we have create primitives cube. We are just simple 3D cube that if you need, you can use in your scene. Yeah, you can change the settings of that, add the material. Again, you can change the scale of them. You can create plane, sphere, anything that you want. Other primitives that you need. Okay, that's create.